Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. We are going to do some pink Christmas nails, and we are using the awesome color Inspire Yourself by the Makartt company. It is a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. So I'm just showing you the beautiful bottles and the ingredients. These are 10 mLs. I do have my peel off base. It's the UNT brand. I'm using Couture's XXL Extreme Square, and they are pre-etched. I'm also using two of the glitters I got last year from CafeNailProducts.com. Now, you're going to go ahead and put on your base. You're going to prep your nails, guys. I don't prep my nails in this video, but you're going to go ahead and do that. And then after you are finished, go ahead and add on your base coat from cuticle to free edge and give it a 30-second cure. Now I'm going to go in with the awesome color base coat, and we're going to add the glitters. Now I only show one nail, but I'm just showing you also that these pre-etched nails do turn clear once you top coat if you want to like put a base coat on the underside of them before applying them, they will turn clear, just so you guys know that. I know a few of you had questions about that. If they did go to clear once you top coated it, not the top part, not the top of the nail, but underside. You've got to coat the underside, which actually just adds strength to the nail anyway. So here I'm just placing the glitters in, making sure they're nice and flat. And then after I'm finished doing that, I will do all the other nails the exact same way. Now the awesome color top coat, base coat, matte top coat is $15.99 on the Makartt website. You guys can go check that out. Use my discount code, get 15% off if you'd like. Also in the video, I will be using another Makartt kit. It is the Eberouge or Eberouge, whatever. I use two colors. I use the white pearl, and then I use the pink, one of the pink pearls. I love these polygels, you guys. If you haven't gotten this kit, I definitely highly suggest you at least get it. Save your money, get it. It's amazing. The colors are gorgeous. I've used this kit twice already. Once in the last video I just did, and then this video. The kit is $61.99. Yes, it is a little pricey. But it comes with 12 beautiful shimmery polygels, a top and base coat, you know, all that good stuff. So as you just saw me do, I did apply my polygel from the free edge to almost a little further than halfway. I did a freeze cure. Now I'm applying the polygel near the cuticle, making sure it's nice and thin. You don't want this too thick, or you're gonna have to file it. So then you turn it over at 45 degrees and put it on your nail. And then of course freeze cure that in place. Anyway, back to the polygel kit. It also comes with, of course, your top and base coat, your file, your brush and spatula, and dual forms. Okay, so now we're just going to continue going in with the polygel. Again, I'm using the white one. And as you see, I do make it very, very thin. And I do show you guys the side profile and everything. You want to make sure you spread that polygel out nice and thin. Okay, making sure you still have that nice curve. And then, of course, I freeze cure it like that because it's easier for me. When I flip it over, it doesn't get all over my fingers and stuff. See how I'm holding the tip there? Well, I don't have any problems because the polygel's cured and it's not going all over my fingers. It just makes it easier for myself. So here we go again. Now this one is the beautiful darker pink I believe I used. There is a lighter pink in the kit, but this one just shined like, oh my gosh, you guys. And there are a lot of the polygels in this kit that shine just like that. The white one shines, but it's hard to see because it's white. But, oh gosh, I love this pink. It just was so perfect. And I figured, let's do some pink holiday Christmas nails, you know. I got little snowman in there from Gina, from her 2 mixes. Now, I didn't go in depth about the 2 mixes because they are from last year's advent calendar that she had made. So, she's not selling those right now, guys. However, she does have a new advent calendar out with Miss MVP Nail Designs. And if you guys want to check it out, you can get 20% off of that. I do have a video coming up on that. Alright, on to the last nail, and then I do a full 60-second cure. And I did use isopropyl alcohol as my slip. Now I'm going in with the awesome color top coat, no wipe top coat, and I am top coating the underside of these nails. It makes it easier. This is before I file. That way the dust and stuff doesn't accumulate underneath the nail and stick to that poly gel. And it also adds strength to the nail. And then I do a full 30-second, well, I do a 30-second cure. Now these bows I found on Amazon. They came in a little pack. Now I'm showing you my squeezy gel from Nail Couture because I actually had to cut the tip. I could not get this stuff out. But if you cut the tip, it comes out a lot easier. It really, really helped. So I just cut that little tip off. I know the tip is really good for like precision, you know, getting it perfect, but I promise you, you're still going to have that precision tip. Just cut it down. It'll come out a lot easier. So, like I was saying, these 2 bows I found on Amazon. They came in like a pack of a whole bunch of other stuff, pearly stuff, and I figured it was perfect because this is pearly poly gel. So I used a white pearly bow and a pink pearly bow. And then I show you I'm using these 2 pearls. One's pink, one's white. And then I'm using some pink, pink rhinestones. These are pink opal rhinestones. They are so pretty. I love it. So what I did was I put the pearl up by the cuticle, and then I put the gemstones all the way down the center of the nail on that one. And then I just keep applying the other gems. I think I do have some smaller pearls in there too, but it's really hard to see those. Mostly pink, I think they are. Actually, I got those off of AliExpress. They came with a bunch of other pearly pearls, all different sizes. And once I'm finished adding the gems, I will then go in with my awesome top coat. And if you guys watched my last video, I believe I used the awesome matte top coat. Yes, I did. It was on the green nails, you guys. So if you want to see how the awesome matte top coat performs, check that video out. I was showing you that I had used my Max Estrada bling tool. So here we go with the top coat. It is very shiny. It's very beautiful. I really like it. So I do top coat the bows because they will turn. They will kind of like, all that shimmer will come off and it'll just be plain. So you do want to top coat your pearls. And then I go ahead and speed it up because I know You guys are probably getting bored by now. If you have stayed this long, you guys, if you have stayed this long, please put some pink hearts and bows in the comment section. So now I'm just going to go in with some floral cuticle oil, rub that in really good, and that's it. That is the end of this set. I freaking love the way these turned out. I love the Couture XXL Extreme Squares. Look at that. So I slow it down so you guys can get a really good look. I loved this set. Look at the snowman. It's so cute. I have a Christmas tree in there somewhere too, but I don't see it. Here's a side view of all the nails. Underside. Show you it's not bulky. And I wanted to show you guys with the glittery hollow background. Let me know what you guys think. Again, comment with a pink bow and a pink heart if you want. So that is everything I use down below. Not everything, but it's the basic Makartt stuff. And of course my Couture stuff. So I will leave links. You guys can go check all this stuff out. Don't forget also to check out cafenailproducts.com if you want an advent calendar this year. It comes with acrylics and glitters. And that's it. Hope you all have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, guys. And please give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.